Anatomy of basal ganglia. The basal ganglia are a collection of gray matter nuclei located deep within the white matter of the cerebral hemispheres. The main components of the basal ganglia are the caudate nucleus, putamen, globus pallidus, subthalamic nucleus, and substantia nigra. The globus pallidus has an internal segment and an external segment. The caudate and putamen are histologically and embryologically closely related and can be thought of as a single large nucleus called the neostriatum or simply striatum. The striatum receives virtually all inputs to the basal ganglia. The caudate nucleus is one of the C-shaped structures like the corpus callosum and the fornix. It is divided into three parts: the head, body, and tail, which do not have distinct boundaries from each other. The putamen is a large nucleus forming the lateral portion of the basal ganglia. Anteriorly and ventrally, the putamen fuses with the head of the caudate. The caudate and putamen are separated by penetrating fibers of the internal capsule but remain joined in some places by cellular bridges. The cellular bridges appear as stripes, or striations, connecting the caudate and putamen in histological sections, giving rise to the name striatum. Just medial to the putamen lies the globus pallidus, meaning pale globe, so named because of the many myelinated fibers traversing this region. The globus pallidus has an internal segment and an external segment. The putamen and globus pallidus together are called the lentiform nucleus. The substantia nigra is a region in the midbrain, located just dorsal to the cerebral peduncles. The substantia nigra has a ventral portion called the substantia nigra pars reticulata, which contains cells very similar to those of the internal segment of the globus pallidus. The internal segment of the globus pallidus and the substantia nigra pars reticulata are separated from each other by the internal capsule, in much the same way that it separates the caudate and putamen. The more dorsal substantia nigra pars compacta contains the darkly pigmented dopaminergic neurons that give this nucleus its name. Under the thalamus lies the spindle or cigar-shaped subthalamic nucleus. Unlike the thalamus, the subthalamic nucleus is derived embryologically from the midbrain rather than the forebrain. If you find this video helpful, please hit the subscribe and bell buttons. And don't forget to like and share this video. Thanks.